Hey guys, this is a quick introduction to a 3-body paragraph. You will have to write this. In fact, another student wrote this last year. They had to answer the same prompt. Who is the biggest hero of Hurricane Harvey? This person decided the biggest hurricane of Harvey was the midwife from the article about the midwife that rode an inflatable swan. They said that they were the biggest hero of Hurricane Harvey. And they wrote 3 paragraphs around it. Sure, this person made some mistakes, but they actually planned their article and their essay pretty well. They argue in an organized way. I want to show you the different parts of their argument so you can do the same. First of all, she has an introduction paragraph. They have a body paragraph and a concluding paragraph. You will too. I want you to notice the shapes. The introduction paragraph goes from really broad to specific. This is why we have an upside down triangle. We go from broad, the 2 sides, to very specific, this point right here. She first makes a very broad statement. Heroes sacrifice their own safety for the safety of others. That's not a statement about the article. It's a broad statement about heroes. I want you to do the same. She then says some other sentences that we'll talk about later, but she ends it with a very specific sentence. She said the midwife that rode an inflatable swan to get her patient was the biggest hero of Hurricane Harvey because she went the extra miles to help others. Went from super broad to super specific. She made her argument. Okay? Then, this person picked 2 pieces of evidence to support that thesis. And they wrote a body paragraph. You guys have written body paragraphs from me already. The only difference is that this person has 2 pieces of evidence. So, we'll talk about that more specifically later. Finally, this person wrote a conclusion paragraph. Note that it's pretty short. That's how conclusion paragraphs are supposed to go. Also, I want you to notice the shape of this triangle. It is a right side up triangle. That means we're going to go from really specific to broad. So we're going to state our argument first, and then move to a super broad statement. So, we go from very specific to broad. So we state our argument. They said Rude, the midwife from Terry Peters' article, midwife rides inflatable swan through flood to deliver baby, is the biggest hero of Hurricane Harvey because she risked her life to bring life into this world. She made the argument. Who's the biggest hero of Hurricane Harvey? Rude, the midwife. By the end, this person started talking more broad and made a statement about the world. Perhaps if we all used a little innovation and put others before ourselves, we too could be heroes. They went from super specific to broad, which is the exact opposite from the introduction that went broad to specific. You will write an essay just like this. I want you to look out for 3 more screencasts, 1 on introduction paragraphs, 1 on body paragraphs, and 1 on conclusion paragraphs to help you.